Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 220 at Hard Rock Hotel in Penang. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door. With the floor plan. To the right, as you enter the room, you have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power. And right here, we have the bathroom. The toilet is in the middle. To the right, we have the shower area with a handheld shower right there, your shampoo, conditioner and whatnot. And there is a rain shower right above. You enter the shower right there. Okay. Here we have the sink with a mirror. Hello. And you can see into the bedroom from the bathroom. If you want more privacy, you can actually slide the door closed so you get a mirror instead. Okay, so there are mirrors on that side and that side as well. And your bathroom amenities are right there, together with a couple of cups. Okay, so right opposite the bathroom, we have the wardrobe area with another mirror. Right there, we have the pantry area with your mugs, glasses, water, kettle, fridge below, hair dryer, in-room slippers, storage. And behind this, we have a drawer down there, in-room safe, ironing board, the bathrobes, hangers, an iron, and storage right above. Okay, that is the view that you get as you enter the room. Right there, light switches, climate control panel, and there is a plug down below. Here we have the bed. It does look quite comfy. And on either sides of the bed you have bedside tables with lights, reading lights, plugs, light switches. On this side you have a telephone, and on that side you have the TV remote. Here we have a flat screen Sharp TV. Place to put your luggage down below with storage. And down there you have a Bose sound system together with what looks to be an LG DVD player. Okay, here we have the desk area with the chair, another light, another mirror, and all your plugs and whatnot down there. There we have an armchair with a Hard Rock Hotel Penang branded cushion. And as for the view, there is a balcony, but I won't go out there since it is a bit noisy. But you can see the balcony with the chairs, table, and this is the supposed pool view room. But you can see this roof right here, and only a bit of the pool. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 220 at Hard Rock Hotel Penang. Thanks for watching and goodbye.